this house was built in 1962, and it was the original roof that had been on since it was built. We'd had it patched a couple of times, but it's just basically the age, you know.
And the birds kept picking all the moss off it. It goes everywhere.
You know.
Don't hear the birds now, that's good.
But because we haven't had the new roof in a really cold spell, we really haven't been able to judge whether it's made that much difference yet. But I expect we will do in the winter. We'd seen quite a few other roofs being done, you know, so I thought, yeah, I'll have a bit of that. But they didn't seem to have, you know, the thickness of insulation that this one had. The communication and everything was coming through. Everything that you knew, I knew, and the communication was great. What the guys that did the work,
yeah,
oh, excellent. You know, then you ask them if they want a cup of tea. No, we'll crack on. You know, and they came from Swindon, I think. You know, they wondered as if they were local down here. You know, but no.
All they wanted, it said, "Can we use the toilet?" I said, "Yeah, you know, we're going up the shop. We left the door open from." But they work till late as well. You know, some of them, you see, they're gone by 3 o'clock. At one stage, they were still here 4:45, weren't they, Paul?
Yeah, they're very, very good crew. 5 days and they were putting the scaffolding out. 7 days, I think, and they were on the roof. You know, I'd recommend your company to anybody. You know, for the communication, telling us what's happening, speed of what it took. Oh yeah.
Excellent it was.
Excellent.